Have you ever wondered what is the best machine for powder brows and how to choose the right machine for your needs? In this video, I will walk you through step by step how you should choose the best machine for yourself, what criteria should you be paying attention at, and at the end, I will walk you through my top machines for permanent makeup. So first criteria is machine power and speed. First of all, you should be looking at machine that can have a low speed and actually operate nicely at low speed, because some machines, even having the low speed, are not able to get the pigment inside the skin and only good at high speed. However, high speed in permanent makeup is dangerous for our delicate skin on face and will be too traumatic for the skin. Brows will get red too quickly, resulting in too much scabs and poor healing. So how to know which machine operates nicely at low speed before you buy one? Well, the specification that you're looking at is called machine stroke. It's not really represent the speed or the powder, but related to both. So it is the number that represents how far the machine can push the needle out, the distance that needle make from inside to outside. That's why if we have short stroke machine where needle travels short distance, it doesn't have enough power to hit the skin due to the short range. But these machines do work nicely with higher speed, and also due to the short range of motion, it doesn't have this momentum to really hit the skin compared to medium stroke machines and long stroke machines. But now for medium or long stroke machines, needle travel longer distance. It has a bigger momentum to hit the skin. But it will be too strong at high speed, which is perfectly fine for us because we only care about low speed. So medium and long stroke machines are perfect for powder brows. Now, which one specifically will suit you, I left to uncover for the last key point in this video, so watch till the end. Next one is needles that this machine can accept. So this could be an issue for some artists when the machine only accepts its own brand needles. Better, of course, if machine can accept universal needles where you have variety of choices for needle brands, their quality and pricing. I do have really amazing machine to recommend, but it's only accept its own needles, which for me is totally fine as long as I love the machine and I know that the needles are safe and have membrane. So now let's go to the next key criteria, which is, by the way, guys, I have an amazing video for you. If you still struggle with powder brows, still create patchy look and can't achieve beautiful powder transition, I have an amazing step-by-step tutorial with an amazing tutorial on how to create this beautiful sand brow technique on latex. It's absolutely for free. You can find the link under this video. Pricing and stability in operation. So there are really good machines that are excellent in work and very durable, will last you long years, but yet they might be a little bit expensive for beginner artists. Now, on the other side, the cheaper machines can be absolutely excellent in work, but they do tend to break faster. So after a certain time, you would need a replacement. So if you're low on budget, I think you can definitely start with cheaper, good quality machines and then upgrade as you go. So now, the last criteria, which is quite interesting and will mostly depend on your machine type, is the look of powder brow, or whether you want to create really pixelated look powder brows or seamless powder. So short stroke machines with faster speed has a smaller dot when working the skin. So they will easily create these seamless powder without vivid dots. In comparison, if you take long stroke machine, they will create very pixelated powder look. And not just because they're long stroke machine, but also due to shaking, which makes the needle slightly shake inside the skin, resulting in double dot. So medium machine is somewhat in between, and you can use the technique to create either seamless powder or pixelated powder. So if pixelated look is something that you're looking for, then choose medium to long stroke machine. If you're looking specifically for seamless powder brows, then just use medium or short stroke machine. So let me finally share with you my top machines that I have experience with and that I can recommend for powder brows. So if you're looking something on a budget but good quality, I recommend Master or Master Y22 machine. And I personally love Master. It's an excellent machine for its price, small in grip, beautiful pixels, but the only disadvantage is that it accepts its own needle. Versus Master Y22, it's also a great machine, but it accepts universal needles. It's really great for its price, but sometimes I feel it's a little bit too strong for the skin, in my opinion. Next one is my, again, favorite machine, Cheyenne Pen. It's extremely great machine, very gentle to the skin, works perfectly on low speed and getting the pigment inside the skin, accepts universal needles. The only disadvantage is the pricing, because you will also need to buy a power supply, which also costs a lot. And the last machine I like is Xion. It's another great machine. Again, disadvantage is the pricing. I also like a lot of machines like Bolar and another new upcoming machines. I haven't tried those, so I can't recommend them yet, but I will keep you updated. So I hope you found it useful. Remember to download useful resources under this video. And a little motivation for the day. If you set a clear goal, there's nothing that can stop you. The only one that can stop you is you by not taking the opportunity. So do keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you on my next videos on Beauty Slash channel.